Hi, in this video, we will create a blank page for our UI kit. First of all, right-click on the UI Kit folder and select New File. And then go to the Files option and press Save As. Save your page with any name. Like I'm saving it as mypage.html. Then open any sample page. Now, copy all the content of the sample page and paste it on your page. After you are done, collapse Content Navigation, Content Header, and Content Body. After collapsing all three of them, delete from Content Body to End Content Body. Then, save the changes. Lastly, right-click and click Open Browser and voila!